Come back for part 2 as we will actually do the videos, see the end results and the difference between the settings and so on and so forth. But before we dive deep into that one, let's roll the intro, please. If you are new to the channel, please hit that red rectangular button with the word subscribe on it, and also hit the bell next to it to be notified every time I upload a video. And also don't forget to smash that like button.
Okay, so we took a small break from the office to come over to JF just to show you the difference between the frames per second. As you can see here, we have 4K at 24 frames per second, then at 30 frames per second, and then at 60 frames per second. So what we are going to do is the first backflip will be in 24 frames per second. The second backflip we're going to move scale down to 1080p, which gives us more frames per second. The second flip will be 120 frames per second, and the third flip will be 240 frames per second. And we will slow motion mod the downer in the post-production just to show you. 240 frames, let's go.